Hi, Joanne with Broadcast Sunny here. I have two college students. One of them is about to graduate, and these are 5 college student gift ideas that really fits the college student. Number 1, cold hard cash. Cold hard cash. Let's face it, in the 20s, you don't have a lot of money. If you are working and going to school, you're not working a lot of hours and you're probably working at a job that's not paying a lot. So yes, cold hard cash. So some of you may find that cash is impersonal or you don't really trust your kids' financial abilities. So there is the practical gift card. When our kids first started going to school, at the beginning of each semester, we would take them to the supermarket so they can get their necessities and such. When my daughter was older and got her car, we bought her a gift card to the supermarket. And that way, I felt like she was being fed for a couple of weeks. But there's also gas gift cards and coffee gift cards. You can get a group of 5 of them and send it to them every once in a while, because what kid couldn't use some caffeine to study for that test or finish that project? So yes, the practical gift card. Number 3. So this is a fun one that I didn't expect. Basically, my daughters both went to the same school, and one was visiting the other, and it was a cold, dark, snowy night, and they did want to go out to get something to eat, and they were Snapchatting us with pictures, and my husband and I decided to buy them a meal. And yes, you can get pizza delivered, but with all these new food delivery services, we ended up getting them sushi, which is what they wanted. We use GrubHub, and the nice thing about it, and I can't compare, I don't know if they're fabulous or what, because we've only used GrubHub. There are other ones, I think there's DoorDash, and locally, I think a lot of them are localized. But in GrubHub, you pay for the food, the taxes, the delivery charge, and the tip. So when it was delivered, they got all their food and didn't have to worry about anything. So GrubHub, it was kind of a neat, it was a fun gift to give, unexpected, and they really appreciated it. It's better than, pizza that they always get. Number 4. So you're strapped on cash because you're paying tuition. So one of the things I do for my kids occasionally is help check their work. They might have an essay or something due, and they'll send it to me to see if I can check any errors or if there's something that needs clarification. I do use the tracking that is on Google Docs has it and Microsoft Office has it, so I should do a video on that. But yeah, I do tracking, so I'm not touching their work and they accept the changes or not. You can also help them with social media, like one daughter had something coming out, so I blasted it on social media for her. But I would be careful with this one, only because I know in college a lot of kids are kind of trying to break from the parents to, be more individualized. I just told them I was here and I was willing to help, and then let them come to me. You can also help with math, but my kids really didn't have a lot of math in the majors they chose. Last but not least, number 5, and you might have figured this one out already, streaming services. So depending on the streaming service, you can share it with your kids. Netflix allows you to buy more than one user. Hulu, I find it is one price and more than one person can watch it at the same time. I don't know if that's still the case, although we do have Hulu. We don't really watch it at the same time for whatever reason. Amazon Prime, I would be careful because they have that stupid one-click thing. So your kids can buy something by accident. Not to say I haven't done that, but yeah, you can buy something by accident, and if they have access to your account. So I don't really recommend that. Xfinity used to have a thing where you could download live TV from your phone, which was kind of neat. I ended up with Comcast, which I hate and ready to switch, and no one's paying me or not paying me to say that. Well, there's a lot of people not paying me to say that. Well, no, they don't want me to say it at all. They're not paying me, but I'm not getting paid from any advertisers. So anyway, I'm happy my Comcast is the 2-year contract's almost up. So that's the 5. If you found this video useful, I appreciate a like, share, subscribe. It supports this channel. Thank you very much. And if you have any other tips, or you have given your kids gifts that only college students would appreciate, please put it in the comments. I would love to hear them. I still have one daughter in college. Well, they're both still in college, but one's going to be out soon.